How to use ClickUp for product road mapping. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can use ClickUp for a product road mapping, or let's resume it into something, let's say, more convincing, which is going to be product conception, production, or conception, marketing, and then we're going to set up the production. So we're going to be on clickup.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see, we're going to be on the admin dashboard. We're going to head over to the left side of the screen and we're going to select one of the spaces. Now I'm going to select this, for example, space, and we're going to add, or instead of having a space like that, so basically I'm going to use one of the arranged spaces. We're not going to add a direct space to this product conception or road mapping. We're going to add it under a space already, because a space is going to have the listing view, whatever view, but the templates, we're going to find them afterwards. I'm going to use this, for example, this space. I can go ahead and click on the plus, click on templates, and type in product. And we're going to find product tracking, production. So we're going to have video production tracking. So I'm going to see road. This is a product roadmap. So we're going to have this. Click on use template. I'm going to let it named as it is. Import everything. Dates, we are going to set them up as they are, and we are going to add only the template. It is going to be in a form of a folder, I believe that, and it is going to be added in just a few seconds. As you can see, it is going to be pending to import all the different necessary items, views, whatever. So it is going to be added and selected automatically, so we're going to wait for it. It is going to give you an advantage right there for whatever that you're going to have. Like, you can see that we have the template. This is the template guide. You can go ahead and have a guide here to see the overview of it, whatever. And the product roadmap is going to be here. So as you can see, it is going to be working with quarters 2, 3, 4. You can see the roadmap by initiatives. You can see the get view, timeline. You can have more views set up like that. We have the weekly execution, product master block, and everything. So you're going, basically, you have everything that you need to set up as they are. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.